Good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday, August 29th. We are in the short of ZB. I wonder if ZB is updating soon. Is ZB rolling soon? All right, I'm going to put this out there in the group. Good morning, good morning. Perfect. Get rid of this. All right, cool. All right, I'm a little early this morning, but ZB's in a trade, ES is in a trade. So I figured I would come on. Also, overnight, oil was 2 for 2 for zones. NQ was 2 for 2 for LIS. Gold this morning was 1 for 1 for $250. And then Bold Zones on NQ also had a trade. Hi, good morning. So, a lot going on. I don't know why they have this like extra border on my... Also, I don't really know why I use Internet Explorer. I should probably stop doing that. So it's easier to come on YouTube first. Make sure you hit that thumbs up as you come in, please. I don't even have the monetization on, so you're not even going to get commercials. All I ask is that you hit a thumbs up. So we are in this short of ZB, which is the 30-year treasury. Internet Explorer still exists. Still, yeah, I know. People always get on me for it. I don't know why. It's just always my default. It's always my default. If you want more information about the auto trading algorithm, no. Was that a joke? Turn your phone like right side up, like up and down like you normally would. And then under the video, you can hit a thumbs up on the video, not a thumbs up in the chat. But I'll take both. I'll take a thumbs up in the chat and a thumbs up on the video. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Is virtual, so I don't see. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna accept this. Add. That's what I figured. Perfect. Accepted. It's kind of like cloudy here today. I think we might get thunderstorms. Well, hopefully everything... What's going on at the Florida coast? Is everyone okay? Like, is the storm hit land yet? I don't even know. Nice. I like it. It looks good. I have the new scalper on today, so that's going to be running on the live stream. We'll get some fun action there. Hey, good morning, good morning. We're in this ZB short, as you can see right here. We're in a ZB short green. Well, it's just going back and forth between flat and positive $31. ES conservative is also in a long. I should put is in a long. It's not also because ZB's in a short. If you hear some vacuuming, it's going to be over soon, I promise. I might even shut my door, but it won't last for too long. All right. Gold was 1 for 1 overnight for $250. ES night range and NQ night range had no trades. But if you're in the premium group, we had some trades because NQ LIS was 2 for 2. And oil zones was also, see if I can pull them up. 1 for 1? Yeah, 1 for 1 for $200. This was at 7 a.m. So, sorry. So that's it. That was at 7 a.m. We're kind of just hanging out here between. Look at this level. Look at this level, though. All right, so we're in the ZB short, and that's about it right now. And then ES conservatives on a long, but it's red. I'm sure when the market opens, they will pop it up. We have 2 big reports at 10 a.m., so we want to keep an eye on that. Oh, and also, I don't run Bold Chop, which is part of the premium service, but people in my group do. ES Bold Chop is already 1 for 1 on the day, and Gold on Bold Chop was also 1 for 1 on the day for $200. So that's an extra $300. I'm already up $580 on the day with the premium, and then the Gold range this morning. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, please. If you can't find the thumbs up, turn your phone like the normal way, and then under the video there will be a thumbs up icon. If you could just hit that, that'd be great. There's 15 of you in the live and only 5 likes. So that would have been an extra $300 if I was running Bold Chop, but I wasn't, so I could be green 900 already before the market even opens, which is insane. All right. The vacuuming's over, I promise. Can I trade NQ Micro with 1,000 in my account, waiting for other money to transfer? Yes, you can trade 1 MNQ, Micro NQ, on range. It costs $100, and you're risking like... Yeah, that would be fine, right? What's the risk there? That's early. Yeah, we're seeing $175. That would be fine. Yeah, it's over. It's over. Relax. She was literally right. If you guys don't already know, OZB is a little red. I work in a closet, and so she was vacuuming the room next to the closet, and it's over now. It's over. So now... Maybe that's why you guys aren't giving thumbs up to vacuuming Sula. Speaking of, let me pay her before I forget. Venmo. All right, so the market's going to open in 10 minutes. Again, we have 2 big reports at 10 a.m. So we'll see what happens for the first 15 or 20 minutes, and then it will probably be a bit of a lull. Yesterday, we were 100% on the day. If you weren't around, you missed a lot of action. NQ night was 1 for 1. No trades on ES night last night or the night before. RTY was 1 for 1 yesterday. NQ early was 2 for 2. NQ later. Oh, NQ later was also 2 for 2. Did we not update that? NQ later. Oh, no. NQ later was 1 for 1. Let me check. NQ later was 1 for 1. Yeah, 1 for 1. 1 for 1. All right. 1 for 1. So that was right. Where was I at? ZB. And then ES range early was 3 for 3, which was amazing. Like, you can even run that on MES. So if you don't want to take, like, a large risk, just do, a micro, 2 micros, 3 micros, whatever. But it was 3 for 3 yesterday. Gold range was 1 for 1 yesterday, and it's 1 for 1 today. So gold is green 500 on the week, and ZB was 1 for 1 yesterday for $250. It took a while, but that is typical with ZB. So, yep, sounds good, Charlie. Perfect. If you have any questions, just put them in the chat. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We can look at ES. I need to make sure. forgot I moved it over here. ES is in this long. I'm going to have to change it from my account to... Let me move this over so it's just not showing my account when I move this. Line? Yes. So ES is in this long. This is the same kind of trade that it did yesterday. It got in before the market opened. Yesterday it went as high as, what, $800? And then it ended up having a loss. Well, 36, or was it like 550? 36 to 47. So no, over 10 points. So like $600, and then it had a loss. But you can see it came back up. Yesterday was really just like a range day. London was closed. They had a bank holiday, but they are back open today. So, all right. So this is ES line conservative, and it's in a long. And then we're in a short of ZB, which is red, like $100 at the moment. What time is it? It's 9:22. The market's going to open in 8 minutes. It is Tuesday, August 29th. Hi, Blaze. How are you? Thanks for the hearts. Whoever's tapping those hearts, that's so nice. Just keep doing that. Yeah, just keep doing that. All right, 7 minutes till the market opens. We already had our student call. I already broke down the pre-market analysis for the NASDAQ and what I will be doing if and when price gets to an area that we discussed. So we will see about that. We're in a long of ES on the conservative line, which is a premium algorithm. Also, the new scalper I am running. This is also, it's only a Tuesday, Thursday play, but it makes some really good money. And it confirmed yesterday and Friday that it's a Tuesday, Thursday play because I have to go to the testing sheet. It was red 500 yesterday, which is fine because you're not going to run it on Mondays. And then on Friday it was red. I think and I was excited for Friday thinking it was going to be great. Or maybe it was good on Friday. I didn't put my data in there. It might have actually been green on Friday. But last Tuesday it was green 1500, and then Thursday had no trades. There was that huge drop on Thursday, but it didn't catch it. So, hey, if you're only trading it 2 days a week and you made $1,500 off of one mini, I think people would be okay with it only trading 2 days a week. You know what I mean? Good, thank you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. The market's going to open in 5 minutes. ES is still in that long, about break even. ZB is in the short green, red $93. It was green, maybe only like $30 at the high, so we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens. If you want more information on the algorithms, so we'll keep an eye on Scalper here today. This is the one that's in testing, and it's only a Tuesday, Thursday play. And then Bolt Line, that's live. The zones are live. This is RTY and YM, ES zones. CL zone already had one trade at 7 a.m. and it made $200. Brian, I'm assuming you got the memo that you don't need to be giving me a zones because Jen just put the words in this picture that I really like. Even though I feel like the pixelation of the picture could be better, but it's fine. It was just a picture from the internet. Of course, I love the colors. All right, so I have ES on, I have NQ on. Oh, I wonder. I'll just leave it as it is. I have ES, NQ. I have ES early, NQ early. Live. I'm talking about what I have live. RTY is live. Gold is live, but it already had a trade. Look at this gold. Look at this. Look at this beautiful gold short. So gold, ZB I do not have live. I have it on Sim. And then I have RTY live. I have ES early live, ES later live, No, ES later is a no Tuesday. Never mind. ES early, NQ later. And then the zones I still have on testing. Even though I could run them, especially like the RTY and the YM, I think they don't trade until after the other RTY trades. There's just so many things. So many things. So ZB still red, $93. I'm going to get on TikTok here in a minute. All right, did I pay her? I want to make sure. Yes. Okay, she's paid. I'm going to get on TikTok. If you want to stay on YouTube, you can. If you want to be on TikTok and YouTube, I would love that. Get a little double action. I don't know which one to use because Jen's been using the live BoldBot, but I wonder if we use the BoldBot backup because that actually got some action the other day. It's 9:27 a.m. All right, let me move this to the front. 9:28, so we have 2 minutes till the market opens. I typically don't like to go live on TikTok until the market opens because people will come in and then they get like so like bored in like they can't wait a minute essentially, and that's our new normal. Our new normal of people needing things right away. So, all right, I'll go live now. It's probably close to 9:29. They can wait 1 minute. All right, 1 minute and 40 seconds. I am live on TikTok, so if you want to come join, I try to share this. Well, see, Jen does it from her iPad. I need to do it. Yeah, it's so funny. I used to get on YouTube at 9:15 because people on YouTube will just hang out. And, but TikTok, I always wait for 9:30. And then, yeah. So I'm live now on TikTok and YouTube. I'm bored. Nothing is happening. Oh, I can't. That is so funny. He literally came in and said exactly what I said. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Make sure you hit that thumbs up on YouTube, please. Who is posting in chat? Who is posting in chat? Oh, Van. Van's going to be in timeout soon. This is the second time he's done that. Van, you need to click on the reply. Here, Van, not in the general chat. We have a system, okay? It's very organized. Good morning. We are live. It is Tuesday, August 29th. It's 9:29 a.m. The market's about to open. ES is in a long. ES is the ticker symbol for the S&P 500 on the futures market. I only trade futures on my fully automated algorithm. I wonder if Jen could see this. We need to share. We need to share the setting. Can someone in the group share the setting? I mean, share the live stream. I need to send it to Jen, just Jen, so she knows I'm live. All right, the market is open. We'll see if this this same setup took a long yesterday at the open, and it made about $600 before turning down. So, and it was a long trade. Like it wasn't like a 5-minute thing. So if you were watching it and you wanted to kind of get a grasp on it, Laura, are you in the live? I'm going to see. Laura, can you come share the TikTok live, please? Jen might be at the beach or something. Green, $162 on this long. Also, ZB is in a short, but it's red $100. So we'll see what happens. If you have any questions, let me know. What is that? R2Y? This is NQ. Also, I have the scalper, the new scalper on. I'm going to shut this door so it's not so glary. But no other trades right now except for bold line, conservative on ES, and then ZB is in a short. Oh, this picture was like so much clearer a minute ago. Maybe I need to keep the door open. Sometimes I wonder with TikTok. Hi, good morning. I figured I'd get on this one today. I don't know. Maybe it's just the green numbers that are more clear than the red numbers. Thank you, Laura. I will copy that and put it here. And put it in the chat. Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Order
good morning.
submitted.
Oh, you know, I could even get on this one.
Target filled.
Oh, well, that was quick. What was that? Target filled. Hello. Who just had that? RTY on zones? Yeah, RTY on zones just hit target. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So nice. Quick $100 there on RTY. We like it. We like it. We like it. Ooh, market pops back up. Let's see what's ES doing. ES is green 125 on this long. Hi, good morning, Roland. How are you? Am I a moderator on this? Yeah, it seems like I am. All right, we are in a long of ES. ZB's in a short, but it's red. It might get stopped out. We'll see. ZB was 1 for 1 yesterday. If you're new here and you want more information, please email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Hi, Jen. Good morning. This is a fully autonomous trading system. It trades for you. All you have to do each and every day is just turn it on. I have the Tuesday, Thursday scalper running. I'm excited about that. See if it gets some action. Last Tuesday, it made $1,500 off of like 3 trades. My name's Lauren. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then Jen goes live every day, Monday through Friday, 2 to 3 p.m. So we are the dynamic duo that brings you the algo action, per se. Jen's in the chat. If you have any questions, she will help you. Pin this comment. And I'm here as well. So just bouncing around. NQ chop hit earlier. Yeah, so NQ chop is 1 for 1, ES chop is 1 for 1, and gold chop is 1 for 1. So if you're in the premium group, you're just making money hand over foot, over fist, whatever the saying is, because last night NQ LIS was 2 for 2, and that's early in the evening. So that doesn't affect chop, and it doesn't affect the range night. And then range night, there were no trades. ES and NQ had no overnight trades on range. And then this morning, gold is 1 for 1. Currently in, this is bold line. This is part of the premium service. This same exact trade, it costs $500 to take this one trade. Yesterday, it ran up to $600, and then it did turn around and have a loss. But obviously, you could have taken profit if you wanted to. You can move your target down, or you can move your stop loss up. That is totally up to you, especially when you get a bit more advanced and you're in the premium
Order
group.
submitted.
NQ early is in a long. ES early is in a long. Let's go. Let's get this push. We're going to get a push, a push, a push.
Target filled.
Target filled. NQ early already hit target. Let's go. ES is next. Let's go. ES push, push, push. We need a little more, and then we'll be there. Let's go. Let's go. And yeah. So we need some green apples in the chat. We need some eggs in the chat. We're pushing. We are pushing. Go ES. Go ES. Go ES. You got it. Come on, girl. You got it. So yeah, overnight action, really, really good. London's back in play. They had a bank holiday yesterday. ES on chop was 1 for 1 early this morning. Gold was 1 for 1 on the chop. And NQ was also 1 for 1 on the chop. So very, very nice. Let's go. Let's go. We need some eggs in the chat. Yes. So GC range 1 for 1. ZB range in a trade. NQ early, 1 for 1. ES early in a trade. Let's go. Let's push, let's push, let's push. We got to get over that 4445. When all of my most used emojis are breakfast items. I love it, Tony. Tony, that's how it should be, okay? We have to fuel up. And then we can go enjoy our day and have the best day ever. Make sure you tap that screen. There's only 1,000 likes. Hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube. We go live every day for you guys, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go, ES. Let's go. Let's get over this 45. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Green 112 on my ES long. I need a little bit more. 150. One more. 187. Go, 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 go. Let's go, ES. Let's go.
Target filled.
Target filled on ES. We need some green apples in the chat. We need some green apples in the chat. People also, if you were waiting on NQ early, you should have hit that then. You should be good to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm going to copy and paste a bunch of these. We had some eggs. We had some green apples. Hit that thumbs up. Tap that screen. Let's go. ES bold line is still in this long. ZB is still in the short, but it's red $200. We'll give it some time. Hola, how are you? Good morning. All right, today is Tuesday, August 29th. My name is Lauren. We go live every day, Monday through Friday. If you don't already follow us, make sure you do. We are here, myself, and when I say we, I go live in the morning. My little companion, Jen, goes live in the afternoon. She uses the algorithm, and she gives a user perspective on it. I am the owner and the creator of the algorithms, and I also use them. So currently on the day, I'm green $867. So that's pretty good. And it's only 9:38 a.m. Isn't it funny that I always look at my total right around 9:38, 9:39? On Friday, I was green $1,100 by 9:37. Yesterday, I was green $900 by 9:38. Today I'm green $867 by 9:39. Some of my eggs say let's push 118. We need 118 for Whitney. Let's push, let's push. Where's my NQ? Where's my NQ chart? Ooh, NQ is pulling. NQ, what you doing? Yeah, I was kind of on the top wick here. I got out at 115. It went to 117.75. She needs 118. I'm going to come back up with. That was a bit of slippage there.
Order submitted.
Where are we at? RTY on zones is in a trade. It's already 1 for 1 on the day. It's now in a long. It's kind of hard to see because this background is so bright. Yes, Karen hit target. Nice. Is this spot price stock trading? No, absolutely not. Hello, Matthew. Hi. No, this is automated algorithm trading. I don't know what spot trading is. So this system is fully automated. It does everything for me. I don't have to be here for it to trade. It trades when I sleep. It trades when I'm driving. Like this trade happened at 7 a.m. when I was still asleep. So yeah. But it's in the futures market. It's not in the, and ES is still green. It's in that long, $262. It's in the futures market. If you don't know what the futures market is, you can email us for more information, or you can just go on YouTube, watch some of our YouTube videos, BoldBot, 2 words. No, you missed the student call. We're green $275 on this ES long. This is with one contract. You can see that right here. Also in a long of RTY zones. As I mentioned, RTY is already 1 for 1 on the day. That
Target filled.
Target filled on RTY. RTY zone is now 2 for 2 on the day. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Well, I'm sure they did now, Glenn. I think he was saying before. Then it got a second push, so I'm sure that's why. Top of the morning, great student call this morning. Still going through the videos. Let's go. Nice, Josh. Good morning. What's the price for premium? It's $1,500 a month instead of $1,000 a month. So it's $500 more per month than you're currently paying. Green, $400 on this ES long. This is one contract of ES. The same thing happened yesterday. It went as green as $600 on one contract to the long side. I could take this stop loss right now and move it up if I wanted to. If I was happy with this $400, I could move this up and trail behind. I could move my target down. I could take this and move it down. Or I could push close and just fully exit the trade and take the money that is happening. RTY range is in a long. Let's go. Green, $100. Let's go,
Target filled.
Target filled on RTY range. Let's go. What's RTY? Orange juice. Orange juice. Orange juice. Let's go. It went to 1775, Kevin. What? It went to 1775. You should 100% be filled already. Let's go. Orange juice, eggs, and what else? Green apples. And we're still in this long NQ. I got up at 5. Nice job. Proud of you. Let's go. Everyone, if your target was anything less than 18 on NQ, you 100% should already be filled. It went to 1775. Eggs again? Did eggs take another trade and I didn't even notice it? No. What? Green, $500 here. Oh, did you just hit it, Whitney? Nice, nice, nice. Maybe that's what it was. RTY range, 1 for 1. Let's go. Let's go. We have eggs. We have orange juice. We have apples. People are probably like, what are you talking about? Those are our little symbols for our different strategies because it's easy to remember and it's fun. So now I am green, $992 on the day. It's 9:43 a.m. And people are already posting in the results channel.
Order submitted.
Look at Adnan. Let's go. ES Zones is now in a long. Again, that's one of the premium algos. Oh, I need to bloop myself. Bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop. Adnan made 200. Like, these are probably PA accounts he's just trying to buffer. 2, 3, 4, $600. Nice job. Very good. I really want Apex to have a sale. If they have a sale anytime soon, we are going to load up so heavy. It's insane. Green apples, some little orange juice. Let's go. Good morning, Jerome. Jerome, you better be getting all this yummy action this morning. Apples, orange juice, eggs. Green, $500 on this long here on ES. I watched the one. Let's go. Nice job, Whitney. Nice job, Whitney. Mike is like, I wish it would come back. I wish it would. Yes, I got RTY 2K Lavender. Awesome. And this is what we're doing. We're just spreading out the ability to make more money in different spots. So I'm not just putting all my eggs in one basket. I'm saying, okay, I'm going to run gold. I made $250. I'm going to run RTY range. I made $125. I'm going to run ES early. I made $187. I'm going to run NQ early. I made $100. I'm going to run, well, nothing else yet. Well, the overnight setups. Also, my scalper hasn't done anything. So sad. But yeah, that's how you kind of just like make it work for you. You don't have to put everything in one strategy and then when it has a loss, you just have a bad day. All you need, oh wait, Chop got another trade, another $200. Nice, Jen. Yeah, put that in the, so NQ Chop is 2 for 2 on the day. ES Chop is 1 for 1. Gold
Target filled.
Chop is 1 for 1. Oh, what did we just hit target on? Shit, we are pushing. What was that? Oh, ES Zones. ES Zones just hit $250 on ES Zones over here. Let me show you that. It's kind of hard to see because it's so thin, but this is ES Zones. If you guys have any questions, please. Laura said I need more Apex accounts, right? Please hit that thumbs up if you're in YouTube. If you're in TikTok, please tap that screen, send some likes. There's only 3,000 likes. It's a little weak for such a great day. Y'all. Let's go. So these are the standards. I might type this out. If you're new here, we go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want more information on the auto trading algorithms in the futures market, just email us at boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you want some more information, it wouldn't. There are 2 reports at 10 a.m., so we are kind of sitting pretty for now. We're too busy trading your alerts. I was 100,000 before, 30, 25 now. I just gave up. Nicholas, no, you should come join us. We make a lot of money. Just a young adult trying to get out of my comfort zone. Listen, we can help you, Nicholas. Email me. We can help you. Typing sounds like what I'm pretending to work. Green at $992 on the day. I made $1,800 yesterday after the afternoon, something like $1,600, something like that. Kenny made $16,000 this morning on one trade with 40 contracts. This is one of my students. He's been with me since 2020. Looking down bad. These are all PA accounts. Wait, what did he say? Top is cash account. The rest are PAs. So let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, $18,000, really more like $19,000, plus $400 on his cash account on the NASDAQ. He trades the NASDAQ because that's what I teach him to trade. This is not TradingView. This is TradeOvate. This is a breakdown from TradeOvate. This is NinjaTrader with the auto trading algorithm. I only use NinjaTrader. You can only use NinjaTrader for the algorithm. But if you want to manually trade, then you can use TradeOvate, or you can use really any other platform that allows futures. Yep. But again, down bad is not risking any of his own cash, and he's making $19,000 in one day. And he did the same thing yesterday. I meant TradeOvate. I trade AGRI. Oh, what are those? I've never heard of those. Oh, is that like, oh, you mean agricultural? I guess you trade like wheat and corn and cows or something. I tried corn once and I got my ass handed to me. It just like, oh, I was right. Wheat, corn, hogs. I said cows. Guaranteed green on this ES long. I said wheat and corn. Yeah, corn is wild. Because one of my buddies was doing it, and he's like, Lauren, you'll love it. And I tried it, and I was like, oh, nope, that is not for me. Corn is not for me. Give me the NASDAQ all day. All day. That's all I need in my life. No, Jonathan, I can't. I'm not sure why it's so confusing.
Order filled.
She don't need no man. A range on ZB had a loss. That was the order filled. Listen, LAFC, don't get nervous. Don't get nervous, okay? You're just listening for sounds, and you're like, oh, that's a good sound, that's a good sound, that's not a good sound. We love Apex the most, but you can use any prop firm that's linked with Rhythmic or that connects to NinjaTrader, essentially. Kay Lavender, awesome day. And based on the student call, she got the green off of the student call as well. These are all of her Apex accounts. Look at Jerome. We're still rocking. 240, 165 on all of those. Look at Brian. Evals this morning from Gold, ES, NQ range. Look at Brian expanding his territory here. $1,100 on those. Same, you use Apex. Yeah, we love Apex. Apex is great. We're trying to wait for another sale. Like, they have to be doing a Labor Day sale soon, right? It has to be happening. Look at bloop, bloop, bloop. Thanks, Jen. You're making the blooping so much easier. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. We need the oranges. We need the apples. I'm going to get that red apple out of there. We don't want that. There we go. Look at that. It's beautiful. I want 80 to 90%. Oh, for sure. That's what we're waiting for. 50% is BS. No one's going to be paying for that. Give us at 80 or 90% for Labor Day and we'll load up 20, 30 accounts each. For sure. If you guys have any questions, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. There are 2 high impact reports in 8 minutes at 10 a.m. So you want to keep an eye out for that. I was waiting for reports. Oh, makes sense, makes sense. Standard, algo, standard results. Oh, ZB is 0 for 1. I'll put that. Not in any other trades right now. The only trade I'm in is in this ES long. Thanks, Jen. We go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. If you have any questions, please just email us. If you want more information, if you want the discounted trial link for the algorithm, it's $500 for 21 days. Just email us, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Premium. Oh, shoot. Jen, I'm breaking down all of them here, so I'm trying to remember yours. So, why do I keep doing? No, I don't want to print this. No, cancel. Control, bold. Premium results. Alright, NQ LIS was 2 for 2. NQ CHOP was 2 for 2. ES CHOP was 1 for 1. GC CHOP was 1 for 1. RTY zones is 2 for 2. CL zones 2 for 2. Like, look at all this extra money. ES zones 1 for 1. NQ night zones 1 for 1. Am I missing anything else? RTY YM zone has not taken a trade. That's the only zone that hasn't traded. I think that's it. All right, cool. Like, these results are insane. The only loss for the entire day since 6 p.m. last night is ZB. And we still have the rest of the day to go. Insane. I'm hungry. I said this yesterday, and then I still didn't eat anything. Amazing morning student call again this morning. What did the students say? 1K a day keeps the job away. Yes, Laura. Student call kills it. Done. Do you see this? This is why you need to be a student. This is why people in the group that haven't bought the mentorship yet really need to reconsider or just do it. Because look at this. She made $800 yesterday on the student call. She made $1,000 today. Michael made all of this based off of the student call. Look at that, $3,000 on the bottom. How does the position sizing work? Also, how much is initial cash do you recommend starting with? So if you want to use cash, then the minimum is 2 to 3K. If you want to use a funded program like NinjaTrader, I mean, like Apex or Lilu or UProfit or OneProfit, you don't need any cash, essentially. You just need to pay for the subscription of that prop firm and then my subscription. Sizing works on however you want to size. So, like in this position, I'm in one contract of the ES. You can take as many contracts as you want. I've heard people before will limit the amount of contracts people can take. I don't do that. You can also have a cash account and an Apex account in my group. I'm pretty lenient that way. You can also have 20 Apex accounts and a cash account. So it's totally up to you. Yeah, you pick your risk, exactly what Jen's saying. So we show you what the risk looks like with one contract. If you're okay with that and you want to take more and you have the ability in your account to do that, then you can do that. Which is why I showed you Kenny. He takes 40 contracts. Some of these folks, like I take 3 contracts on ES. I was taking 5. I need to go back to 5. ES, and then on RTY I take 5 because the risk is so low. But some people just take 1, or some people trade micros and they take maybe 4 or 5 micros. So it all just depends. Nope, this is futures. I trade the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, the Russell, the Dow, gold, oil, ZB, all in the futures market. But like Irma, if you're still on the call, like this is all people need to see when you're trying to sell that mentorship, because honestly, what else these students are just killing it. They're just killing it. Still green, $612 on one contract of ES on this long that started before the market opened. Yeah, Irma, all you got to do is take a screenshot of this, like, you know. Oh, why does it keep going away? I'm going to just move it over here. Cool. That's the wrong one. I don't want that one. Yes, I want this one. Like, what are you waiting for if you're not a student? You got to get in there. And obviously, just buying the mentorship is not going... Oh, ES Chop is 1 for 2 for Griffey. Obviously, with the mentorship, just buying it is not going to make you a good trader. It's not. You have to be willing to put in the work, join the student calls in the morning. You know, these people on the West Coast have a lot of dedication because they get up at 5 or 6 a.m. to trade the market open. Nice, Nicholas. My admin, Amy, will respond to you immediately. She's very on top of it. Oh. Okay, well, I will update that, Jen. I didn't know it took 3. ES Chop. 2 for 3. Okay. 2 for 3. So 1 loss on ES Chop, but it had 2 wins. So, I don't know, that probably puts it around even. That's all the way up. Exactly the Lawrence spot. Can't get any better than that. Look at what Jimmy said. Love it. I was thinking that was a breakout candle. I needed to wait for the second gap. No, you don't need to do that. But that's good. USMCJ, you're understanding. That is a normal thought process. But I never wait for a candle close. Essentially, I just want to...
Order canceled.
Ooh, $1,000 target hit on ES with this report at 10 a.m. And then anytime it was like is my entry. But you'll get it. That is totally normal. That's totally normal. It's flat on the day. Perfect. ES for 2 for 3 is a flat on the day. That makes sense. And that's on zones. That's on, on Chop. But then NQ Chop is 2 for 2, and Gold Chop is 1 for 1. Yep, report, the 10 a.m. report just came out, and it hit the $1,000 target on ES. So ES on conservative is $1,000. Hit targets for $1,000. And yesterday, again, it was green 600. So if you're manually managing these, you could have easily taken profit yesterday when it was green 600 and started pulling back, even if it was just more of a break even, and then you're still green $1,000 on the week. Yes, Derek. So if you have a 2 to 3K cash account, you could easily do the same exact thing, but you would just be using micros instead of minis. CB took off. Oh, yeah. Hey, Jason. How are you? So let's go through how today has been. Gold range, 1 for 1. ZB is the only loss on range today. It took one trade and had a loss. NQ early is 1 for 1. ES early is 1 for 1. RTY range is 1 for 1. And then on the premium side, NQ LIS was 2 for 2 last night. NQ chop is 2 for 2. ES chop is flat. It was 2 for 3. Gold chop is 1 for 1. RTY zones are 2 for 2. Oil zones, CL zones are 2 for 2. ES zones are 1 for 1. And NQ night zone is also 1 for 1. This is the ES zone here, and then the RTY is up top. It went 2 for 2, 1 here, 1 here. How do you get started? Sure, just email me at boldbot@gmail.com. And then I'll send you an informational email. How to get started? Yep, so just email us. Are those all different bot wins you are calling out? Yes, playing with fire. So they're not different bots, essentially. Bold range is our main runner, and so this is bold range, but you can run it on any product you want. So we run it on gold, we run it on treasury bonds, we run it on the Russell, we run it on the S&P 500, we run it on the NASDAQ. So that's where I'm kind of just telling you all of the hits from today. So I am green $992 on the day so far, and we still have a bit of a ways to go. And this is the exact play that I called out in my student call this morning. If you take the mentorship, you get access to the 8:45 to 9:15 student call that I host every morning. So much easier having the play in your head and chart it out than watching it play out and execute with confidence. Thanks, Lauren. Great job, Greg. Make sure you have the correct amount selected in Chart Trader. Yep, remind me not to be trading during a report again. Was short of the bottom. Well, Ben, we kind of talked about that earlier. We talked about this already. No trading from 9:45 to 10 a.m. The report came out at 10 a.m. The report must have been good so far. Make sure you have the correct amount selected. Because USMCJ, that means you don't have a correct account. Yeah, USMCJ, that means you don't have the correct account chosen. You need to have one dedicated chart for your manual trading. That chart trader needs to point
Target filled.
to that one account. That's it. And then it will show you target filled, whatever was just in a trade. Oh, probably that YM zones. Yeah. Listen, yesterday I made like $1,800. Today I'm up $900. YM hit target there on zones. That's just adding more to the list. USMCJ, you can also just message Irma to have her check. Have Irma check your setup even though it's manual. You need one manual chart that you never use for the algos. Then put that chart trader on your trading account that you want to use. That's it. That's it. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. All right, look at Beast. Done for the day. Great morning call, Lauren. You are the best. Thanks, John. You're so sweet. John made 2, 3, 4, 5,000, 6,000, maybe over 6,000. This is Slack. It's similar to Discord, but you can only get in Slack if you are a paying member. It is not for the outside public. Again, if you want more information, you just have to email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'll put the little student emoji. There we go. So, again, you can only be part of the group if you're part of the group. Just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com to get more information. Big Bussa said, Lauren, you are the best. I love the student calls. Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. Listen, I'm just glad you guys are listening, because for so long, only like 20 or 30 people would join the calls. Now we have like 55, 60 people joining the student calls. They're actually listening. They took this long right here, 15,110. Where are we at now? 15,235. That's a 125 point move. Do you know how much that is in one mini contract? That's over $2,000. $2,000 with one trade, all given to you in the morning if you join my student call. That's all you have to do. Kyle said 2 trades and I'm done. Slow and steady wins the race. Nice job, Kyle. He's also a student of mine. $1,500 for Kyle. Look, he's building those cushions. He's building those PA cushions. I love it. I love it. I love it. Pink ran up to 1,300, closed at 850. Nice. Gold scalper is in a $1,500 long. Holy crap, Jen just posted this. $1,500 one contract. It got long here at 8:30 a.m. Pulled back a little bit and then just exploded. $1,500 on one contract. That's insane. Insane. If you want more information about the mentorship, awesome day, sister. Got her 4th eval passed. Nice, William. That's awesome. I'm so happy for her. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. More people are posting results. Faye just posted. Very nice, Faye. $120 across every single account. 20 accounts times just $100. You know, $100 might not seem like a lot to you, but when you multiply it by 20, that's, you know, almost $3,000 she made today. What's 120 times 2,400? I should have known that. I knew it was 2,000, but then I was trying to do all the 20s. Nice job, Faye. Congrats. Bloop, 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 bloop. Where's Evie? Evie doesn't harass me in the morning like he harasses you in the afternoon, Jen. It's 10:09. It feels like it's been, 2 hours. We've had so much going on and so much fun. I'm not in any trades right now, which is wild. Wild. Gold is now at $1,630. Money Tuesday, right. We had a Money Monday. We Money Tuesday. Every day last week was green. We did not trade on Friday when Powell was speaking, and there were some red trades. And that's how this group is just a tier above everyone else, because I'm always back testing. I'm always finding new setups. I'm always keeping you, Jen's always keeping you aware of the reports for the next day. I'm always keeping you aware of when, Powell's speaking and we shouldn't be trading. Like, there are because you're the oracle. Because there are just so many different parts of trading that a lot of people don't consider. They don't consider reports. They don't consider Powell speaking. They don't consider when the other markets open or when the other markets close. So, all of that is very important. And we teach all of that in this group. All of that. Always working, no joke, for real. Like midnights on Fridays and midnights on Saturdays, all just to make this happen for the group, to find new setups and use, like the zone algo. I had this totally just in storage. And then Jen was like, we should kind of look at it again. And she was totally right. And now, today on zones, 200, 300, 500, 750, $800 if you only ran zones today. $800 trading one mini. So, you know, that's a huge, huge uptick. Like, we are taking advantage of everything that we can. Marcus made $1,000 on the day. Nice job, Marcus. He's new to the group. He's been killing it. So happy for you. Let's put some robots and some oranges and apples and all those things. This is great. Look, I need this red apple to get out of here. I need my oranges. Oh, there they are. But I want my keyboard to get used to clicking them, so I've also been searching them. All right. It's 10:11. I'm probably going to wrap it up here. I think we've had a lot of action, and I'm not in any trades at the moment, so, and the student call played out. So yeah, I think I'm going to just wrap it up. Take my little money, my $992, and I'm going to have a great day. I wanted to like take a picture of this. I'll just do it when I get off. Buena just posted, I don't know if it's Warrior Girl, but congrats, $75 across every account. Again, slow and steady wins the race. What's the type of investment need to start? Yeah, so Adil, it would be at least 2 to 3K or more. If you want more information, just email me. I'm still trying to pass and learn the evaluation. So that's the thing. Playing with fire, you're never going to pass the evaluation by yourself. And that's what a lot of people come to terms with, because you probably don't have the proper training and the proper knowledge to pass. So it's best to just use the algorithm. It will pass the evaluation for you, and it will trade during the funded process. So don't wait. Just join the group. It's $500 for 21 days, and then $1,000 every month after that. Thank you, Lauren. Thanks again. My family is proof of my concept. Everyone has been approved for at least one PA so far. Nice. William, for a cash account, what's the minimum? Yep, so to trade minis on a cash account, the minimum would be $10,000. Again, I have a cash account. I usually withdraw every week or every 2 weeks. Right now I'm at $14,400. So, you know, and it's Tuesday, and I withdrew last week. So I'm already up $4,000 since Friday. Friday, Monday, Tuesday. $4,000. He missed all the fun. Oh, Evie, you're here. And that's just on a 10K account. So everything you see me running live, I tell you what I run live every day, and I tell you what's on sim every day. What I run live, I'm up $4,000 in 3 days. I'm up $992 today. I made $1,600 yesterday. And then whatever I made on Friday, $1,500 or $1,400, something like that, all on a $10,000 cash account. So that is $10,000 cash account, and now you no longer have to pay for the NinjaTrader platform, which is awesome. You only have to pay for market data, which is $12 a month, which is very doable. But that's, you know, just making $1,000 a day, that is 10% per day or more on my cash account. People hope to make 10% in an entire year, let alone one day. You know what I'm saying? And like, do we have losing days? Yes. Every now and then we'll have a red day, and that might take away 1 or 2 of my winning days. But I'm okay with that. Yes. Thank you, Glenn. I asked about that this morning, and I kind of noticed it. Good to know. Good to know. This is RTY. So do you know what I mean? It's like, where else are you going to make 10%? And I know people trade options and they can make like 100%, whatever, but it's just not the same. Like, this is so much safer than options. I used to trade options and I got my ass handed to me. Like, it's not easy at all. And you have to look at so many other things. You have to like really plan out your day. You have to look at the delta, look at the theta, see if there's any reports on that exact, you know, ticker. Whereas here in the futures market, we have general reports. We post them every night at 5 p.m. before the market opens at 6 p.m. Also, if you're trading futures, you can trade 23 hours a day. Again, I woke up this morning to $530. So that's a big advantage that the futures market has that the stock market or the options market doesn't have. Yeah, like learning options takes so long. There's just so many things you have to take into consideration. So, I think futures are the best, and I've traded pretty much everything. I traded crypto. I hated it. I traded stocks. The stocks are okay. Stocks are probably number 2 on my list, like common shares. Like you're actually, but you have to have a lot of money to do that. You have to have at least $25,000 to trade common shares day after day. And then you have to have a lot more money, or you have to be on a large margin account for you to be able to take a large enough sizing that's going to make you money. You're not going to make $900 like I did today trading common shares unless you have at least a $100,000 cash account and then margin on top of it. So especially when these stocks start going back to their higher normal price, like a lot of stocks right now are around, $50, $60, $70 per share. But they used to be $200 a share. So think about that. The price of the NASDAQ, the price of RTY, the price of ES never changes. I pay $1,000 every day to take one contract of the NQ. One contract. This will always cost me $1,000. That's all I need to take it. ES made me $900 yesterday, and I only need $500 to trade it. That's the craziest thing to me. $500 to trade ES. RTY is the same, $500. YM is the same, $500 to trade YM. Now gold and oil, they're a little more risky, so they're $2,000 per contract to trade. But gold has already made me $500 on the week. So I trade with $2,000, I made $250, I'm done for the day. I've already made $500 this week on gold. Gold made $1,500 like 2 weeks ago on the week. Yeah, time decay, there's so many things and options you have to pay attention to that you don't have to pay attention to here. And we're being traded, like this is trading for us. This is fully automated, it's fully autonomous. It is doing everything for us. The only thing you are required to do, and I can show you here, the only thing you're required to do every day is to push an enable button. That's all you have to do every day is push enable, 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 and that's it. And you're done for the day. And then you go and you enjoy your dinner with your family, and you have a nice night, and you go to sleep, and you wake up to $400.
Order submitted.
And then it takes more trades. YM Zones is in a long. We'll see if this one hits. We can watch it also on the chart. It's the one down here. I'm going to have to, give me a second, change this to zones. And then I'm going to have to put it on YM. It's a little red. We'll see what happens. But yeah, we're not here kind of like bloating anything. These trades are exactly what happens each and every day. We have red trades. We have a red day every now and then. But all in all, I can't move the chart trader over, so I'm going to just have to keep it there. All in all, we're doing really well. So, really well. We go live every day, 2 times a day, 9:30 to 10:30 in the morning. Oops. And then 2 to 3 p.m. So make sure you follow us on TikTok. Make sure you follow us on YouTube, BoldBot. I also have all of my past live streams on YouTube. You can go back and watch them. BoldBot, 2 words. And then email me for more information on the bot or the mentorship. If you want to learn how to manually trade and really know how to manually trade, you need to hit me up and take my mentorship. If you want to have a robot trade for you every day while you're at work or while you're sleeping in or while you're at the gym, then email me and I will send you information about the algorithm. We need to get up to 33 here on YM. It just got back to break even, but it's kind of bouncing around here. It is 10:20, so the Eastern European markets are closing in 10 minutes. That could be why it's bouncing a bit. See if we push back up here and hit 33 on YM. YM is the Dow. RTY is the Russell. NQ is the NASDAQ. And ES is the S&P 500. If you're new here, make sure you follow, say hi, tap that screen, hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube. And yeah, we'll be back at 2 p.m. Eastern this afternoon. Jason just posted his results. Jason U, $815, $1,000 on that top account. If I hover over it, it like covers it. Bloop, 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 bloop. Love to see it. Lewis, I'm not sure why this is crooked, but he made $2,525. It looks like that might be a cash account. Nice job, Lewis. We got to be blooping him. And we'll see if this YM trade hits. But I hope you guys have a great day. Jen is in the chat. She can answer any questions, last minute questions, while we see this YM trade play out. See if you can push up going into 10:30 here, and then I'm going to wrap it up. Boop, 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 ba-doop, ba-doo. Bloop, bloop. I'm blooping Lewis. Eggs, green apples, oranges. What's crazy about these zone setups, they're like 99% on the year. Like, it's really insane. It's honestly like crazy, crazy. But I have all of that data in the spreadsheet. So if you're thinking about joining premium from the standard mentorship or from the standard membership of the algo, you can look under the settings spreadsheet. Target filled on YM. So you can look under the settings spreadsheet and see. And so now YM is 2 for 2 on the day for $200. So you can look in the spreadsheet under premium results and see how the premium algos line up. And if you want to join premium, just message me and I will give you that information. Like, look at these totals today. Do you see this? This is ES one trade, $1,000. This was overnight NQ, and I missed the second one, so it was 2 for 2 for 200, but I only got one. CL zones 2 for 2. Whatever this is. Oh, this is YM zones, what we just saw, 2 for 2. RTY zones 2 for 2. NQ zones, no trades so far today. ES zones, $250. NQ overnight, $50. ES range, this is part of the standard. So these are all the standard subscriptions. These are all the premium subscriptions. ES early, 187. ES later hasn't traded yet. NQ later. ES night, no trades. Gold, $250 on range this morning. NQ early, 1 trade for $100. NQ later hasn't traded yet. NQ night, no trades. RTY, $125. And then ZB, which I have on simulation, it was the only red setup, red $500. Again, I am green and $992 on the day, and I'm not really even running any of the premium setups like I should be. Oh, I do run LIS, so that's a lie. I ran the LIS, but I don't run conservative, and I didn't run. So I left on the table 1,000, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. I left $1,900 on the table, not running all of the premium setups. Do you see how crazy that is? All right, have a great day. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. This is NinjaTrader that you're looking at. If you want to use my auto trading algorithm, it has to be on NinjaTrader. You can do so with a cash account, minimum of $2,000 to $3,000. Or you can do it with a funded program. So you can use Lilu, Apex, UProfit, OneProfit, OneUp, whatever they're called. You can use any of those and you'll be good to go. So make sure you email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We will be live again at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for another hour, showing you the trades this afternoon. Also, I forgot to mention, I missed out on all of the CHOP premiums as well. So that's another $300, another $300 I missed out on. So I missed out on $2,200 today not running the additional premium setups. Like, that's just crazy. Beast just said premium's the best. Why are you posting that in the student channel? Beast. Oh, why are you posting that in the student channel? Travel pass. Oh, very good. I did chop on micro and racked up. That's another thing. If you don't want to like get in the way of what you have running on your minis, you can run chop on micros and make, instead of $300, you know, maybe you make $100 or whatever it is. That's awesome. Good job, William. All right, it is 10:25 a.m. on Tuesday, August 29th. I hope you guys had a great time. I had a great time. We'll be back at 2 o'clock. Jen will be live. Again, email me if you want more information. Bye. Thanks for joining. All right, YouTube, have a great day. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it.